Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable raise to view in maps working directions for real world directions on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and in here tap on maps. So let's find maps. Here it is. So tap on maps, then tap on walking. So tap on walking in the directions section. In here, tap on raise to view. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. When this is turned on, then after you tap on the direction button, you can view directions in the real world simply by raising your iPhone. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.